As Jamaica grapples with an alarming number of road fatalities, one high school in eastern Jamaica is taking a proactive approach to educating young people on proper road safety. Aliyah Brandt tells us more.
Titchfield High School in Port Antonio has officially launched its new driver education initiative program designed to strengthen road safety skills, promote defense in driving strategies, and build responsibility and awareness among students from a young age. The program is being run in partnership with the Beep Beep Driving School. It comes at a time when road fatalities have become a major public concern, with young people among the most vulnerable road users.
The road fatality data of 2024-2025 shows that 365 people died in 2024 and 190 died in 2025.
By teaching children from a young age through classroom lessons, practical demonstrations, and hands-on workshops, they will gain exposure to real-world road scenarios.
In all, there was a 12% increase in traffic accidents throughout Portland. While you may not be piloting a vehicle at this stage, the experience and the knowledge that you would have gained from this initiative puts you in a better position even as students to say to the person driving your motor vehicle, you cannot overtake around a corner. You cannot overtake while there is a unbroken white line. These are some of the main causes of our fatal accidents last year.
And the mayor of Port Antonio, Paul Thompson, believes this initiative could serve as a model for schools across the island, reinforcing the idea that road safety education should begin long before individuals are eligible to drive.
This initiative reminds us that learning to drive is not just passing a test. It is about understanding traffic laws, understanding vehicle maintenance, and understanding how one driver's actions can influence the safety of an entire community.
As road fatalities continue to rise, initiatives like this provide a proactive solution to a growing national concern. Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.
The Papine and Crossroads markets are getting an upgrade. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and the Norwegian Seafood Council recently signed a memorandum of understanding to collaborate on improvements to signage, infrastructure, and other facilities. Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, provided this update recently.
We wanted to have some more funds to do some more stuff, but we are bringing to a state that we are proud of. And when my guys reach out to me to say that the Norwegian Sea Council would like to partner with us in terms of advertising, I didn't hesitate to say engage. Reason being that the market is, you don't make a profit off markets.
No, it's a service.
So it's a service that we offer. So we will never have enough funds to that. So we have to find innovative ways like providing and advertising and branding to companies like yours.
In the meantime, Country Director for the Caribbean and Mexico at the Norwegian Seafood Council, Orjan Olsen, stressed the importance of these initiatives for supporting local vendors and strengthening community.
Collaborations is part of the most fun thing I do, right? Because it's not traditional advertisement in that sense. It's being able to help the community and help the markets to look better, and at the same time, of course, we benefit. Mm-hmm. So I agree with you, this is a good start. If we manage to get this done and talk about other markets, let's hope they don't take 2 years to finalize.
The National Housing Trust is appealing for patience and understanding, with some contributors expressing outrage over the delay in the payment of their NHT contribution refund. Assistant General Manager for Corporate Communications and Public Affairs at the NHT, Dwayne Burbick, addressing a JIS think tank last week, said the agency was seeking to ensure accuracy and protect the trust against errors and fraudulent claims. As a result, approximately 1,000 contribution refund applicants are being contacted and asked to resubmit their requests. Mr. Berbick is urging contributors not to become discouraged by the need to reapply, pointing out that processing times have improved significantly due to system upgrades and streamlined procedures. He insists that the wait time for payouts has moved from about 15 days to roughly 4 to 5 days to process refunds. Camille Simpson-Thomas, supervisor for the Contributions, Refunds, Payments and Monitoring Unit, said applicants must ensure that all personal and banking details are accurate and consistent across documents. She said the account used for the contribution refund must be one for which the applicant is the primary holder. The name on the application must match exactly what is at the NHT and at the bank. Mrs. Simpson-Thomas noted that even small differences such as missing hyphens, spaces or accent marks can delay processing, as each application is verified with the bank before payment is approved. It's now time for the Business Minute.
Jermaine Clark, Revenue Security, Planning and Research Manager at the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, says 19% of electricity generated is stolen at a cost of $200 million annually. He was speaking at the latest Office of Utilities Regulation webinar titled Utilities Network Vandalism and Theft, The Real Cost. Speaking at the same webinar, Charles Douglas, Senior Manager for Government and Regulatory Affairs at Flow, stressed that a shared response from the entire society is needed to deal with this problem. He added that this is of paramount importance because the national infrastructure belongs to everyone, and as a result, we must protect it. And the Nasdaq stock market marks its 55th anniversary on February 8, 2026, celebrating its launch in 1971 as the world's first fully electronic stock exchange. Built as a computerized system for quotes and later full trade execution, Nasdaq revolutionized the way markets operate by increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving transparency. Its technology-driven approach helped level the playing field between institutional and retail investors, significantly expanding public access to global financial markets. For the Business Minute, I'm Aaliyah Bryant.
And it's now time for the top regional and international stories.
In the region, the United States has reaffirmed its support for Haitian Prime Minister Alex Didier Filzame following his assumption of leadership of the interim government after the mandate of the Provisional Transnational Council ended on Saturday. Washington welcomed the peaceful transfer of power and said it is ready to work with the new administration to help stabilize Haiti. Filzame has pledged to restore security, pursue armed gangs, deliver humanitarian aid, and prepare the country for elections planned for early 2026. And on the international scene, Russia is weighing in on the U.S. oil blockade of Cuba, calling the situation truly critical. The move follows a U.S. order threatening tariffs on countries that supply oil to Havana as Washington pushes for regime change. Cuban officials say they are open to talks but reject changing their government, while Russia says it is looking for ways to help its longtime ally. And those were the top regional and international stories. I'm Aaliyah Bryant.
We head to a quick break, but when we come back, we'll have the Midday Sports Report.